Hey y'all, quick update on the see it's Rad RPM 7.5 inch long range. So ended up having to skip out on the O4 Pro because I just don't have a long enough cable to get it from the camera all the way to back to where it sits. So you'll see there's a different uh, box here. So this battery thing, that's the GPS saver. And then right here is a high power analog transmitter VTX that came off of my 10-inch that I originally bought from Axis Flying. That was their high power analog, and I swapped it out for um, what I put on that. I think it's got a O4 Pro. I can't remember. I'll have to go look at that. So anyway, I've got the Foxeer Starlight camera on here. I really like that camera because it works so well in low light and during the day. And then I've got the VTX soldered in. That's this cabling here. And then this is the TBS Lucid stack. I tried putting in some headers on where it wants the TBS 900 megahertz, Pro, or one of their transmitters, and I'm going ELRS. That's what these are, these antennas, and 915 megahertz, but I just couldn't get it to work. I don't know. No power, nothing. So I ended up just hard coding it into, I think it's, I put it into UART1. So that's where we're at. I still need to extend these wires from the camera here. There's 3 wires. There's video, power, and ground. This little connector here is so if you want to change the camera settings, you can hook up the little hand remote and make changes. I'll probably just shove that down here in the sandwich part between the bottom plate and the mid plate. And then not much left. I've got GPS, I've got the antenna. This is my best long antenna. It's a left-hand circularly polarized. So typically you use that for digital, but it really doesn't matter. It's just, I will be putting his buddy on my analog receiver. So we'll be left hand to left hand. And I'll do some testing, see how that works. But I'll definitely be putting my GoPro on here so that I get some high quality footage. And then should be able to do okay with this antenna. I really do need to get, I'll have this and just a single patch antenna, but I would like to get a 3D printed template and make a high gain beam antenna for 5 gigahertz. So that's some of the things coming up, but just wanted to give a update. Hopefully I can get some mountain surfing video into you guys here pretty soon.